5021, mobile with 1222. What are you rolling on?
We're en route to a robbery in progress.
We're out in front of you on a covert moving surveillance. We cannot spook this guy. Kill the lights and silence.
Copy you. We're going silent. We'll break off. Go on, Ogden.
God damn it. All right, Pedro's taking off. He's headed north toward 13th.
Got eyes on the truck. He's blown through stop signs. Get a car.
Oh my God, that...
All right, truck just hit a car. Driver! Turn off the vehicle! Keep your hands where I can see them! Get out of the vehicle!
Ma'am! Ma'am? Ma'am, can you hear me? Oh, God. I got you.
Well, stuck. You got your knife on you?
2180 crash fatality. Full major accident. Accident.
Hey, that's acetone. Get back. Get back now!
What?
Haley, back! Adam, now! Now, Haley, come on! Come on! Go!